OU5U United.
Mexico 1 Alpha Papa Charlie. Mexico 1 Alpha Papa Charlie.
Mexico 1 Alpha Papa Charlie. Well, yes, you're not quite DX, but you're very strong. Name is Henry, over.
Yeah, copy that, Henry, no problem at all. You're 5x9, 5x9 plus, into southwest England, into Cornwall, southwest England. Name this end is Jim, Juliet India Mike. I've just repaired a Yaesu FT-102. Just wanted to know how it sounded. Go ahead.
It sounds very good. You can be proud. It's very, very good. Fantastic. So don't touch it. We're using a K3 here, and the antenna is a 2-element for 40 meters, not for 17, but it's for 40. And behind the K3's Hombre linear, 300 watts, 300. Go ahead.
Yeah, copy that, Henry, no problem. Well, you're, yeah, I'm only chucking out about 150 watts, 150 from the radio itself. And, yeah, just a Comet vertical multiband, what I call an external dummy load antenna. But, yeah, you're certainly making a trip out this way. I'm glad to hear the radio sounds fine. As I say, I've just finished servicing it, just finished repairing it, all new capacitors, you name it. Excuse the noise in the background, it's another radio. And yeah, okay. Yeah, sorry, but it's not DX, but I needed a radio report of some kind, and I will be putting a video of this on YouTube if you're happy with that. Go ahead, Henry.
Yeah, it's quite okay, Jim. Fine. Yeah, the modulation is good, so don't touch it. I'll let it be as it is. Yeah, well, okay, fine. Well, short on the weather, and then I'll give a couple of calls for DX. If nothing happens, I will go QRT. But the weather today is close to 20 degrees PM, over.
Yeah, we've only got about 12 degrees here at the moment, and it's overcast. It's been a bit rainy this whole week. But yeah, looking forward to a nice weekend with my grandkids and. You know, a bit of free time with myself for a change. Right, I'll say 7-3, Sammy. Nice to speak to you. Good luck getting some more DX, and I'll catch up with you again soon from M1 APC.
Yeah, that's okay, fine. Have a nice weekend, and yeah, we'll talk to you later. You're very strong, so 7-3.
7-3.
CQDX, OU5U Henry.